Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix death wobble in a Ford F250. First, if you experience death wobble, safely pull over and stop your truck immediately. Begin by visually inspecting your tires for any signs of uneven wear, bulges, or punctures. Next, verify that your tire pressure is set correctly according to the manufacturer's recommendations, typically found on the door jamb sticker. Incorrect tire pressure, even by a few pounds per square inch, can significantly contribute to instability. Now let's focus on the steering system. Have a helper turn the steering wheel slightly back and forth while the truck is on the ground. Carefully observe the track bar for any movement at its mounting points or worn bushings. Next, check the tie rod ends and drag link for any noticeable looseness or play. A worn steering stabilizer can also contribute to the issue, so inspect it for leaks or damage. Finally, confirm the steering gearbox is tightly bolted to the frame. Moving on to the suspension, it's crucial to inspect the ball joints. Lift the front of the truck and check for any vertical or horizontal play in the wheel. Worn ball joints are a common culprit. Also, carefully examine the control arm bushings for any signs of cracking or deterioration, as these can allow unwanted movement. Don't forget to check the wheel bearings for looseness or any grinding sounds. Finally, confirm all suspension bolts are torqued to factory specifications. After addressing any worn components, a professional front-end alignment is absolutely essential. This ensures your wheels are properly oriented and tracking straight. Once aligned, take your F250 for a test drive on different road surfaces to confirm the death wobble is resolved. Pay close attention to how the steering feels. Finally, regularly recheck all repaired or replaced parts and maintain proper tire rotation and pressure to prevent future occurrences.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.